Nandito kami ngayon sa Mola di Victoria kasi birthday, 18 birthday ni Audrey. Syempre, inimbitahan din kami kaya nandito kami. Ayan o. Look at that, ang ganda. Bago ang lahat, intro. Pasok! Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa birthday ni Audrey. 18th birthday. Ayan. Ang ganda po dito. Very social po. Pang-social po dito. Diyos ko. Okay, thank you for inviting us, the Bid family. Ayan ah. Doc, Pastor, and Sister. Parents ng Magdibo. Ayan, ay yung aking palangga. Yes! Pogi. Ayan. Mamaya lalabas na po ating debutant.
Kasama namin mag-celebrate sa 18th birthday ng aming anak.
Wait lang.
Marami pa po ang mga naimbita pero probably late, no? At I'm thankful po sa ating Panginoon dahil niloob niya ni mag-gather together tayo rito. Wala man po akong pinipera na script para sabihin sa inyo. Lagi pong pinapaunawa sa akin ng Panginoon to use every moment of every situation para sabihin sa tao na
you know who you are. So let us now get to know more about her by watching this short video. Thank you. Loved ones gathered here to celebrate this very special day with you. Ayan. Everyone, thank you for your message, Ate Joanne. Next to give her a message is her Tita Arabel David. Inisan na pa-konti-konti dahil siguro minsan magkaugali kami na kapag mayroong nakitang ayaw, madalim ako lagi kay Audrey. Alam na ni Audrey, siguro
kami iiyak siya, iiyak ako kasi nag-aaway kami dalawa. So, parang kailan lang gano'n, maliit pa kami ngayon, malaki. Ayan.
Simula nung bata pa kami, lagi na kami magkakasama. There's so much fond memories na na-create between us three, between me and Audrey. Pwede ko bang ikwento yung bata?
tanda ko nung there was a time tinitingnan ko yung gallery ko mula ng pagkabata mo hanggang sa yun nga, malaki ka na. Tama ako kasi ang bilis ng panahon. Ang bilis ng panahon. Inihiling ko kay Lord. And nagpapasalamat ako kasi
No more hiding who I'm meant to be. This is me. What it's like to feel so in the dark, to dream about a life when you're the shining star. Even though it seems like it's too far away, I have to believe in myself. It's the only way. This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I'm meant to be. This is me. Dami ko pang gustong sabihin, pero siguro mag-start po ako na mag-thank you sa parents ko na naging vessel po para maging possible to, and kay Ate Joanne po at sa mga pinsan ko. And honestly po, these past few days, pakiramdam ko na parang hindi ako parang umuusad sa buhay, sa personality, sa attitude, sa lahat. But God made a way for this event to make me feel that I am appreciated, that I am doing well in life, and I will do better. Because maraming tao na nasa paligid ko na blessed, and they are willing to share their blessings with me. Ayan.